fresh bluegill fillets. We got the whole crappie cooking over there. This is for my wife's Mother's Day gift. This is her special order. She wanted whole fish. And that's what we're doing. Whole crappie with the little strip cuts. Those cuts right there make it easy to peel the meat off. Oh yeah. Y'all can smell what I'm cooking right now. Oh. Get back in here. He almost got away. Gotta hook him again. Look at that. That's gonna be nice. She just wanted fish and onions. So there's the second one. We're doing whole crappie here. Get that excess off of there. And then we're gonna hit it with some seasoning here. Gonna put a little bit of that on there. We're gonna take it. We're gonna lay it on the plate like that. Put a little more seasoning on it, like that. Move these over. That's bluegill right there. And we're gonna lay this one right here. Put a little more seasoning on it, like that. And then, see, y'all don't know nothing about this one though, right here. We're gonna come over here. We got the onions. We're gonna drop them on there too. See, we got some crushed red pepper on there. We're gonna set them, boom, right there in the middle, cause she like onions. There it is. We're gonna turn this down a little bit, then I'm gonna come back, and we're gonna be good to go. Crappie, bluegill fillets, and fresh onions cut. All right, time to take it to the wife for Happy Mother's Day. We're gonna walk it in here. Let's go ahead. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you.
Look at that.
Happy Mother's Day to you.
Ooh, look at that. Whole face too.
Not the whole fish.
She happy. All right, I done my job.